Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the official English channel. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. This is a place where English feels friendly, relaxed, and easy to understand.
My name is Sophia.
And I'm John.
Today's conversation is a little special because we're talking about something many people think about near the end of the year, but not everyone knows how to do in a simple way.
That's right. We're going to talk about how to plan for a new year without stress, without pressure, and without complicated words.
Exactly. Planning can sound scary. Some people hear the word plan and imagine long lists, strict schedules, and feeling tired before the year even starts.
I'm one of those people. When I try to plan too much, I feel excited for about 2 days and then I feel confused.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same way. That's why today we want to show you a calm, easy, and realistic way to think about the year ahead.
And we'll do it step by step, using simple English and real-life examples.
Before we start, we want to say something quickly. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the official English channel.
And if you know someone who is also learning English, you can share this video with them. Planning together can be very motivating.
All right, John, let's begin. When people think about a new year, what is the first thing they usually think about?
Goals. Big goals. People say things like, "This year will be different," or "I will change my whole life."
Yes, and sometimes that sounds exciting, but it can also create a lot of pressure.
True. You start the year feeling hopeful, but after a few weeks, you feel tired or disappointed.
So today, we want to change that feeling. We want planning to feel calm and helpful, not heavy.
I like that. Calm planning sounds good already.
Good. Then let's start with something many people forget to do. Before we look forward, we need to look back.
Look back? But the year is ending. Isn't it better to forget it and move on?
Not exactly. Looking back doesn't mean focusing on mistakes or problems. It means taking a moment to notice what went well.
Oh, I see. So it's not about judging yourself.
Right, it's about understanding yourself. Think of it like cleaning a room. Before you decorate it again, you look at what's already inside.
That makes sense. So how do we look back in a simple way?
One easy way is to think about a few good moments from the past year. Not everything, just a few highlights.
Highlights like happy memories?
Yes, moments that made you smile, feel proud, or feel peaceful.
Okay, let me think. This year, I started walking in the mornings. I didn't do it every day, but when I did, I felt really good.
That's a great example. It shows you something important about yourself.
That I like being outside?
Exactly. It shows that fresh air and movement are good for you. When you notice things like that, it helps you plan better for the future.
I never thought about it that way. I usually only think about what I didn't do.
Many people do that, but planning works better when it starts with kindness, not criticism.
So step 1 is to notice a few good things from the past year.
Yes, you can write them in a notebook or just think about them quietly. 3 to 5 things are enough.
That feels easy. I can do that.
Good. Now, after looking back, we can gently turn our attention to the future.
This is the part where people usually make very long lists, right?
Yes, and that's where many plans fail. When the list is too long, it becomes overwhelming.
I've done that many times. I write things like exercise every day, eat perfectly, learn a new language, save money, wake up early, read books, and more.
That's a lot for 1 year.
And usually I stop trying after a few weeks.
That's very normal. So instead of many goals, we suggest choosing just one main focus for the year.
Only one? That sounds scary and relieving at the same time.
It's actually very freeing. When you choose one main focus, your energy has a direction.
Can you give an example?
Sure, someone might choose health as their main focus. That doesn't mean they ignore everything else, but health becomes the priority.
So decisions become easier.
Exactly. If your focus is health, you might choose to walk instead of watching more TV, or cook at home instead of ordering fast food.
I like that. It's not about being perfect, just about direction.
That's a great way to say it. Direction is more important than perfection.
Okay, I think my main focus for the next year could be learning.
Learning is a wonderful focus. Learning can include English, new skills, or understanding the world better.
Yes, I want to keep my mind active and curious.
That's great. Now, once you choose your main focus, the next step is to make it practical.
Practical how?
Big ideas need small actions. If the focus stays too big, it feels far away.
So we break it into small steps.
Exactly. Small steps could fit into daily life.
If my focus is learning, a small step could be reading a few pages every day.
That's perfect. Or listening to something educational while you commute or do chores.
That feels realistic. I don't feel stressed when I think about it.
That's the goal. Planning should reduce stress, not create it.
I already feel calmer than I usually plan.
Good. Now let's talk about time, because time can feel confusing when we think about a whole year.
Yes, a year feels very big in my head.
That's why it helps to see time visually.
You mean using a calendar?
Yes, a calendar helps turn abstract time into something you can see and touch.
I usually only use the calendar on my phone.
That works for many people. Some people also like a paper calendar because they can see the whole month or year at once.
I think seeing it on paper makes it feel more real.
Exactly. When you use a calendar, the first thing to add is important dates.
Like birthdays and holidays?
Yes, writing them down helps you remember the people and moments that matter to you.
I once forgot a close friend's birthday. I felt really bad.
That happens. A calendar is not just for work, it's for life.
I like that idea. Life planning, not just work planning.
And when you add happy events, something interesting happens.
What happens?
You start to look forward to the future instead of worrying about it.
That's true. When I see a trip or a break on the calendar, I feel excited.
Exactly. Even small things like a long weekend or a day off can make a big difference.
So planning fun's important too.
Very important. Rest and joy give you energy for everything else.
I think many people forget to plan rest.
Yes, and then they feel tired all the time. Planning rest is not lazy, it's smart.
I'm starting to see planning in a new way.
I'm glad. Now, there's another gentle idea that many people enjoy, and it's very simple.
I like simple ideas.
It's choosing one word for the year.
One word? How does that help?
The word becomes a guide. It reminds you how you want the year to feel.
Can you give an example?
Someone might choose the word calm. That means they want to move slower, worry less, and breathe more.
That sounds nice.
Or someone might choose growth, balance, focus, or confidence.
I think my word could be curious.
Curious is a beautiful word. It fits very well with your focus on learning.
I like that it's not a rule, it's more like a reminder.
Exactly. When you feel stuck or unsure, you can ask yourself, does this choice match my word?
That feels very supportive, not strict.
Planning works best when it feels supportive.
Sophia, since this is the official English channel, we should also talk about planning English learning.
Of course, English is part of many people's goals.
Many learners say, "This year I will speak perfect English."
That's a very common sentence, but it can be frustrating.
Because perfection takes a long time.
Yes, and perfection is not necessary to communicate well. A better plan is something specific and small.
Like what?
For example, listening to English for 10 minutes a day, or learning a few new words each week.
That sounds much easier.
And when something feels easy, you're more likely to continue.
If I learn 5 new words every week, that's many words in a year.
Exactly. Small actions add up over time.
I'm feeling motivated, but not overwhelmed.
That's the perfect feeling for planning. Now, there's one more small thing that can make planning feel special.
What is it?
Using a notebook just for your plans.
A special notebook?
Yes, it doesn't have to be expensive, just something that feels nice to you.
I like that. It makes the plan feel important.
Writing things down also helps clear your mind. When ideas are on paper, they don't stay stuck in your head.
That's true. When my thoughts stay in my head, they feel louder.
Exactly. Writing brings calm, and calm helps you think clearly.
So planning is not just about the future, it's also about peace of mind.
That's a beautiful way to say it. Planning helps create space in your mind and direction in your life.
I feel like we've covered many helpful ideas already.
We have, and everything we've talked about connects naturally together.
Looking back at the good moments, choosing one focus, taking small steps, using a calendar, picking a word, and planning English in a realistic way.
Yes, and none of it requires pressure or perfection.
I think our listeners will find this very helpful.
I hope so. Planning doesn't have to change your whole life overnight. It just needs to support you gently, day by day.
I'm already thinking about sitting down quietly and doing this for myself.
That's wonderful. Take your time with it. There's no rush.
Before we finish today, I think we should ask our listeners something.
Yes, let's do that. We'd love to know, what is your word for the year?
It can be any word that feels right to you.
You can share it in the comments. We really enjoy reading your thoughts.
And if you're new here, please subscribe to the official English channel so you can keep learning with us.
We'll be here regularly to practice English together.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Take care and enjoy planning your year in a calm and simple way.
See you next time.
Bye for now.